Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a gaming mousepad. This is the Unicorn mousepad by RiaTech. Now, this is what the mousepad comes in, a simple plastic wrap with the pricing information on top as well as contact information, along with some mention of the warranty on the inside. Should always check the Amazon listings page to understand exactly how much warranty you get and for how long. Let's go ahead with the unboxing since there's barely anything to look at the box for. Now, this is a massive mousepad because it goes all the way from the left edge to the right edge. We can bring it a little in the center, and the dimensions are 40 centimeters in width, 90 centimeters in length, and the thickness is about 2 millimeters, which is standard for most gaming pads or mouse pads. Now, on the front, you have a unicorn artwork. That's the name of mousepad as well. Probably you'll have multiple mousepads coming in from the vendor with different artwork on the front, and the same will be mentioned on the Amazon page listing. The edges have a little bit of stitching to prevent feathering. And once we flip it around, you can see that the base is rubberized with a texture. So this will give you good grip to keep the mousepad from slipping on the surface that it has been placed on. So that was it for the unboxing of the RiaTech Unicorn gaming mousepad. Thank you for watching.